Greetings to all. This is from All-in-One Super Coaching. So welcome all of you to our Maths Foundation classes. Today in the Foundation series, our next topic is integers. Here let us discuss the 4 operations involving negative and positive integers. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here, if two numbers are negative, how to add, subtract, multiply and divide, and what is the sign after that. If one number is positive and the other number is negative, how to add, subtract, multiply and divide, and what is the final sign. So there are certain rules for that. If you are very much thorough with these rules, then the problems will be very easy. Go to the problems in detail. Addition of positive and negative integers. Rule for addition is, if both the numbers are negative, add it together and put the negative sign. If one number is positive and another number is negative, take the difference between the numbers and put the sign of the bigger digit. Okay, let us discuss these examples. In this example, negative 15 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 20. Here both the numbers are negative, so add it together and put the negative sign. In the second example, negative 15 plus 5. Here one number is positive and the other number is negative. So take the difference and put the sign of the bigger digit. Bigger digit, here it is 15. So it is negative 10. Next example, 15 plus negative 5. Again one number is positive and the other number is negative. The difference between them is 10 and the bigger digit is 15. The sign of 15 is positive. So here either you can put a plus sign or without plus sign also it is okay. So this is a rule for addition. Let us discuss some more examples. Negative 4 plus negative 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Negative, both the numbers are negative, so it is negative 8. Then negative 4 plus 4. Here difference is equal to 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Another example. Negative 2 plus 1 which is equal to negative 1. Negative 2 plus negative 1 is equal to negative 3. 2 plus negative 1 is equal to positive 1. Next, instead of subtraction, we are doing multiplication now, because multiplication and addition we need to compare. In all the time, you children are making mistake by confusing with the multiplication and addition. So that's why I am discussing multiplication now after this addition. Now, the rule for multiplication is, both the numbers are negative, answer is positive. Both the numbers are negative. When you multiply, answer is positive. If one number is negative and the other number is positive, multiply together and the answer is negative. In this example, negative 20 into negative 2. 20 into 2 is 40. Negative into negative times negative is plus. Negative 20 into 2 and 20 into negative 2. In both the cases, answer is negative 40, because one number is negative here. So you have to compare with the addition. Addition rule is different. Look at these examples also. Negative 3 into negative 3 which is equal to positive 9. Negative 3 into 3 which is equal to negative 9. Negative 1 into negative 3 is equal to positive 3. Negative 1 into 3 which is equal to negative 3. Now let us compare this addition and multiplication of the same digits. a comparison, addition and multiplication. So here I took two numbers 7 and 3. 7 and 3 are the digits for both addition and multiplication. So let us discuss addition first. Negative 7 plus 3, which is equal to negative 4. 7 plus negative 3 is equal to positive 4. Negative 7 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 10. Negative 7 plus negative 7 is equal to negative 14. Positive 7 plus negative 7 is equal to 0. Then multiplication. Negative 7 into 3, which is equal to negative 21. 7 into negative 3, again which is equal to negative 21, but negative 7 into negative 3 is equal to 21, positive. Then negative 7 into negative 7 is equal to 49. Negative 7 into 7 is equal to negative 49. Now it is division. Division, the rule is the same as that of multiplication. That is, if both the numerator and denominator are negative, answer is positive. And if numerator is negative and denominator is positive, or numerator is positive and the denominator is negative, divide and the final answer is negative. In this example, negative 10 divided by 2 is equal to negative 5. Negative 10 divided by negative 2 is equal to positive 5. 10 divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 5. Next is subtraction. You should be very careful while you are doing this subtraction of negative and positive integers. Even the high flyers make mistakes while doing this subtraction. So you should be very careful. This subtraction involves addition also. Okay, let us see that. Additive inverse of negative 3 is positive 3 and additive inverse of 5 is negative 5. 0. In the case of 0, it is neither positive or negative. These points you should keep in mind before you start doing subtraction. Now let us start some problems. Here also I took same numbers for all the problems, same digits 2 and 7 in this case. And here I have written two letters K and C, KCC. KCC means, K means keep, C means change. Okay, let us start the problem. Here, first question, 2 minus 7. We need to subtract 7 from 2, that is the meaning. Here I have written K, that means in the next step, the 2 should be, you should keep 2 same. Then next is the minus symbol that you have to change. That means minus will become plus. Next you need to subtract this 7 from 2. So 7 is a positive integer. C means take the additive inverse of that 7. That is the change there. So 7 will become negative 7. Now here it is in that subtraction. Now the next step, it is the addition. So 2 plus negative 7. That you know how to do. 2 plus negative 7 is equal to negative 5. Then in the second example also, 2 minus minus 7. 2 same, minus will become plus, negative 7 will become positive 7. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Third one, negative 2 minus 7. Minus 2, negative 2 will become negative 2 itself. Minus will become plus, 7 will become negative 7. Negative 2 plus negative 7 is equal to negative 9. Next is negative 2 minus negative 7. Negative 2 keep, minus change to plus, negative 7 change to positive 7. Negative 2 plus 7 which is equal to 5. 7 minus negative 2. 7 same, minus will become positive, negative 2 change to positive 2, answer is 9. Negative 7 minus minus 2. Negative 7 plus 2. That's the second step which is equal to negative 5. Negative 7 minus 2. negative 7 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 9. So this is the method. So you have to practice a lot of questions. I will show you one more example. You practice. For you to practice, one more example is given. You also can select numbers like this and practice. First question is 11 minus 4. Second question is minus 11 minus 4. Third question is minus 11 minus 4. Then fourth question is 4 minus 11. Fifth one 4 minus 4 minus 11. Sixth one minus 4 minus 11. Seventh one 4 minus 11. So in this way you also can select 2 digits and make 7 options. So it will be easy for you. Then the last part of this session is multiplication of more than 2 negative numbers. In this example, see, I circled the minus numbers. So here in this example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus digits are there. That means in this case multiply everything together. So here the answer is 6. But here number of negatives are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is an odd number. So finally the answer is negative. If the number of minus signs are odd, then the final answer will be negative. See the next question. Next question, same numbers, but minus sign I circled here. Here only 4 minus signs are there. 4 means it is an even number. So in this case also multiply everything together. If the number of minus signs are even, then the answer is positive.